Alright, it is Wednesday, July 22nd, 2020 at 4:23 p.m. Alright, let's take a look quickly here at the National Hurricane Center. We have Gonzalo, Tropical Storm Gonzalo, with maximum sustained winds of 45 knots or 50 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure of 1,000 millibars, located 9.9 north and 43.6 west. Movement west at 12 knots or 14 miles an hour. Alright, then we also have Disturbance 1 with 70% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. Recent satellite wind data indicate that a broad low pressure area has formed in association with a tropical wave over the central Gulf of Mexico. However, the accompanying shower and thunderstorm activity is currently poorly organized. Conditions appear conducive for additional development, and tropical depression is likely to form during the next day or two as this system moves west-northwestward at about 10 miles an hour. Interests in the western Gulf of Mexico should monitor the progress of the system, as watches of warnings could be required for portions of the coast of Texas and Louisiana later today or tonight. An Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system this afternoon. Formation chance through 48 hours, high at 70%. Information chance through 5 days, high at 80%. Alright, so the Atlantic is active. Let's take a look quickly here at Gonzalo. We have maximum sustained winds or 45 knots or 50 miles an hour. Let's take a look quickly here at Gonzalo in the satellite image. Here you see Gonzalo kind of getting a little bit stronger, building up, and starting to get a little bit of rotation. Alright, let's take a look here. Here's Gonzalo. And here you see Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and the Lesser Antilles on the left-hand side. And Gonzalo is moving westward. Let's take a look now at the larger scheme of the Atlantic. You see Gonzalo traveling along. And then you see the Caribbean there, and then Florida with the disturbance by Florida. Now let's take a look at the tracks of Gonzalo. Here you see the tracks that are the models follow, pretty much just showing it going underneath Puerto Rico, underneath Dominican Republic, and then kind of curving up a little bit. Alright, these are the Tropical Storm Gonzalo model intensity guidance, meaning the possibility that it could get up to a Category 2. This is what is showing. It could possibly get up to a Category 2 Gonzalo, all the way up to 2. I don't know if it will intensify anymore, but this is just some models showing what could possibly happen. Alright, and this is for the disturbance that is in the Gulf. You see the models showing what this disturbance could head into Texas. Let's take a look here. This is what the disturbance in the Gulf looks like. And they're forecasting it to head westward into the Texas, Louisiana area. Right now it is bringing plenty of rain to Florida, and it is very disorganized. Alright. And this is what it looks like closer to Florida, showing the Florida coast, getting plenty of rain. And there's also some rain happening in Virginia and parts of Pennsylvania. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more. Gonzalo has formed, so it is now time to take a look at the Atlantic and to keep an eye on Gonzalo. I'm not too worried about the one in the Gulf, but it will bring possibility of rain and flooding to Texas and Louisiana, so we have to keep an eye on that. Also Florida. So just stay safe, pray for the people in the way of Gonzalo. May God keep it away from any land, and God bless you guys. See you next time.